Hey Brian, what did Jesus say?
He wants Jesus.
He does?
He does.
What did he say?
No. He robbed and Ashley and Crystal.
Ashley and Crystal?
Ashley. Bill. Jingle bell.
Play catch with Sissy.
Catch. Here. Touch pillow. Catch. I get the broom.
You got a green one?
And let's catch.
Tell him, hi everyone.
Hi everyone. Hi Kaylee.
Tell him, I'm being good.
I'm being good. Where did you sit? Go! I just caught a big shot. Good.
Kaylee, say catch. Don't fight. Remember, be good. Brian, tell him, see you later.